Okay, all right. Hello, this is Diane Rasmussen with UK Column. Just watched a very long county council meeting with Councillor Kenny Hope present, of course. I wanted to talk to you in particular about Maya's Law, because I know that you've been doing a lot of work to get this law through. And if you could maybe tell the audience a little bit about what the law is for and what you want to do with it.
Yeah, so Maya's Law is strengthening safeguarding of children. Baby Maya was murdered by her mum's boyfriend several years ago, and it was a bit of a harrowing event. And if these safeguarding measures were in place then, that could have prevented Maya's death. Hence the reason why we at full council today are very, very strong in wanting to move forward, change our policies to help now in County Durham our safeguarding policies within the county to further look after our children. Hopefully other councils will follow suit up and down the country. And again, central government, it's been lobbied with central government, but members in government have expressed that it's not the right time. I don't know why they think it's not the right time, but now is the right time. Action needs to be taken, and us in County Durham are making that, are making decisions and following that action up as we speak.
Thanks for that. And what are some things that you've been doing specifically? I know you've been doing a lot of work in your area, in Consett in particular, and around the county to promote awareness of this law. Could you maybe tell the audience a little bit about what you've been doing?
Yes, so I've been working closely with Gemma Chappell, Maya's great aunt. Gemma is the one who is leading the campaign to get Maya's Law across the board.
Thanks for that summary of the law so far, or what we hope becomes a law. I know that you've been doing a lot of work locally in County Durham and Consett in particular around your constituency. Could you maybe tell us a little bit about what you've been doing personally to promote awareness of the law to get it through?
Yes, I've been working closely with the family, especially Gemma, who was leading the law and the case to strengthen the law to safeguarding children. Now, us in County Durham are working with the relevant officers, with the relevant portfolio holder and the relevant committee members to be able to strengthen our safeguarding policies within council to hopefully eradicate and stop any child from being subject to anything like this in the future. I've also been working in the background with the fundraiser and GoFundMe, sharing it on the social media platforms, etc. And I've also lobbied our MPs down in Westminster to support this. But also I've been working with Gemma Chappell, Mayor's great aunt, to get the signatures. Now, Mayor's Law is on the parliamentary website. We've got something just short of 8,000 votes. We need 10,000 votes for government to look into this seriously. So please, if you can, get online and sign the petition so we can get this law across the line.
Thanks for that. And what I noticed today in the meeting was that there seemed to be some pushback from some of the other councillors that were present, which I thought was incredible, because we shouldn't be making a political statement based on safeguarding children. Do you have any observations on what you saw there?
Yeah, well, from the outset, Gemma Chappell got in touch with all 98 councillors. I immediately responded and arranged a meeting. Several of our members had a meeting with Gemma. What we wanted to do, we wanted to listen to the family. We wanted to understand everything that the family wants, and we wanted to work with the family in strengthening our policies within County Durham. From there, one of our councillors, Councillor Cathy Hunt, the portfolio holder for Young Children's Services, and she tried to put a motion in. The motion had already been put in by the opposition, and the motion, all good. We understand that the opposition were trying to be meaningful. However, it wasn't strong enough. We needed to be strong. We needed to act now. We needed this law to get over the line, and we also need our policies in place now.
And I was actually astonished to see the BBC reported that in Parliament it was decided that this was not the time for this law, which I found to be absolutely astonishing. So thank you for your support locally, and hopefully we can get this through nationally as well.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you would like to add?
So again, you know, our actions here today, with our motion to lobby Parliament to get this law across the line is very, very important. We have to, you know, push this as much as we possibly can. The BBC's reporting saying it's not the right time is an absolute disgrace, not on the behalf of the BBC, but on behalf of Parliament. It's not the right time. When is the right time to lobby for safeguarding of our children? When is it? That's the question I would like to ask them.
Thanks for your time, and thank you for your work, Kenny. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Thanks.